Today I'm going to teach you how to write the education section on your LinkedIn profile. Having a well-structured education section helps recruiters and connections quickly understand your academic background and qualifications, which can open doors to new opportunities. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your profile dashboard. This is where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your professional presence on the platform. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your profile picture and some basic information about yourself. Go ahead and click on your profile. This takes you to your full profile page where you can view and edit everything from your headline to your work experience and education history. Now navigate to the section where you want to add your educational background. You'll need to click on Add Section. This button is your gateway to expanding your profile with additional information that showcases your qualifications and achievements. It's an important feature that allows you to build a comprehensive picture of your professional journey. From the options that appear, select Add Education. This opens up a form specifically designed for inputting your academic credentials. LinkedIn makes this process straightforward, so you can quickly add multiple educational entries if needed. Here's where you'll fill in all the relevant details about your schooling. Start by typing in your school name. LinkedIn will often auto-suggest schools as you type, which helps ensure consistency across the platform. Next, enter your degree such as Bachelor of Arts or Master of Science, followed by your field of study like marketing, computer science, or business administration. These details help others understand your area of expertise and specialization. After that, you'll need to input your start date and end date. This gives a clear timeline of when you attended the institution. If you're still studying, you can check a box indicating that you're currently enrolled. If it's relevant to your situation, you can also add your grade or GPA. While this is optional, it can be particularly useful if you're a recent graduate or if your academic performance is a strong point you want to highlight. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. This action adds the education entry to your profile, making it visible to anyone who views your LinkedIn page. Your education section will now appear on your profile, giving visitors a complete view of your academic achievements. And that's it. You've successfully added the education section to your LinkedIn profile, which strengthens your professional presence and helps others understand your qualifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.